Hello everyone, this is the new video by Flash Trade 1. In this video we are going to see the performance of our signals that we send on our free Telegram channel. You can see that this is the Flash Trade 1 major news trading Telegram channel where our followers are 14,788. So it's not a small number. Now today you just verify the date, it's 22nd December 2020, and we are going to verify the signals for 21st December 2020 Monday. Now you can see this is our Telegram channel, and on 19th December, okay, the day was on 19th December, the day was Saturday, so market was already closed at that time. During that time, based on news, okay, fundamental news that we're going to release this week, based on that we predicted signals, we predicted the trend of either we are going to buy or either we are going to sell, like it was a GDP data and yearly data for GDP as well as quarter data, everything was there. So based on GDP data we decided that we are going to sell GBPUSD this week. Like if you see the crude oil inventory, then the forecast is already less than the previous one. It means that it is good for oil, so we given the buy USOIL. So based on fundamental data we have predicted some signals, and 99% we follow this trend entire week. Also, there was no euro data at that time, but as of now we all know that stimulus package is got finalized, and this is the reason we also included the EURUSD, because of the stimulus package. There were chances that there may be some movement in EURUSD, so we also included EURUSD signal. Now we'll quickly see that how 21st December signal performed, how everything everything went off. So you can see over here that this is our 21st December by XAUUSD signal, where we given the signals at 6 o'clock. Time frame that we are using here is the UTC, that is the universal coordinate time. So Telegram time is UTC time, as well as you can on the chart you can see that this is the UTC time. So on 6 we have given the entry 1895 1890, and at 6 we have given 1895, then later on 1890. so we have took the entry at 1890, but at 1885 you can see the risk of 5 points. So at 1885 we got out with 5 points loss in gold. Then our second entry was 1880 1875, so we took our second entry at 1875, and at 1870 again we got out with 5 point loss. So in XAUUSD we booked 5 points loss both of the time. Then we didn't took any entry in free, while our paid clients definitely took the entry at 1855, and they made a profit of almost 30 points when they took the entry at 1855, but in free we have not given those entry. Now we'll go for GBPUSD, where our entry was 1.337340. again it was given, the signal was given at 6 GMT. Now check the time. At 6 GMT GBPUSD was trading at 1.667, so almost it was just 3 pips away from the level that we have given, 1.337. so from 1.336 it went down to 1.3180. let's count the profit. What profit? Like 3360 to 3180, so 180 pips profit in GBPUSD. We booked 5 points loss while 180 pips profit. this entire movement in GBPUSD was captured through our signal. Also, why we are selling GBPUSD, the complete reason is given, as well as the level that we post is after our technical analysis. It's not like just random levels. Now you can see the EURUSD. So let me go for EURUSD. In EURUSD, you can see over here the entry we have given at 6:21 GMT 1.220223, right? At 8 GMT, so almost 1 hour and 30 minutes after, EURUSD traded high to 1.222. Check, it comes between this level 1.222. So 1.222 to 1.212, 100 pips in EURUSD was captured. 180 pips in GBPUSD, 10 points loss in gold. We'll count it as the 100 pips in gold. So 180 pips, still we are in plus. Okay. Now we'll check USOIL. We'll check USOIL, where you can see that on 21st December at 10 GMT. You can check signal was given at 6:25 GMT. At 10 GMT, it traded low to 46.2. You check our level. What was our level? It was 47.5 to 46.5. Okay, and SL was of 0.5. So at 46.0, the SL was going to hit, but the SL missed by 0.2 points. Our entry 46.5 precisely activated from 46.5 to, you can check, 48.1. So let's just count the profit. 46.5 to 48.1, 1.6 points profit booked in USOIL. Okay, plus 180 pips we were in the profit. If we took pip wise, then it's 160, 340 pips we are in plus with our free signals. Now let's go for USDCAD. Where you can see that signal given at 6:30 GMT. So let me convert the chart to 30 minutes. The level was 1.283280, and you can see that on 21st December 19 GMT, it traded low to 182.2819. So let me count it, 1.282, which is from our level. Okay, and then our next signal comes into, we post our next signal for 22nd December at 6 GMT near. So, and when we give this signal, then the previous signal is need to be closed. Okay, so almost you can see that at 5:30 GMT it went high to 1.288. Count the profit from 1.282 to 288, 60 pips in CAD plus 340 pips of our previous one, so plus 400 pips. Okay, great, with our free signals. Now we'll check for AUDUSD, which was in buy. You can see the signal was given at 6:35 GMT, level was 1.754751. Check at 10:30 GMT or at 10 GMT. Signal was given at 6:35 GMT. After 4 hours, AUDUSD traded low to 0.746. So our entry was 0.751 and the risk was 50 pips. So at 749, our SL hit at nearly this level. We were out with 20 pips loss. Then our second entry, watch precisely what is that, 0.746, 0.743, and you can see that at 10 GMT or 10:30 GMT, AUDUSD precisely went down to 0.7461. You can check by your eye that how our signal works, and then it went high up to 7600. We'll count the profit. 0.7460 to 7600, 140 pips, but we'll do minus of 20 pips loss. So 140 pips minus 20 pips, we were in profit of 120 pips in AUDUSD after one SL hit, as well as our 400 pips of before. Total 520 pips plus we were running at the end of the day on 21st December. Not only this, you can went on our live streaming. After once we post the signal, then you can see that at 7:42, 8:15, whenever our position came into the profit, we not only guide our free clients to follow the signals, we ourselves trade on our client's account with the same signals. Okay, so these signals are very much precise. They are not just the random that we just give the random entry, because 14,000 followers are following us, and this is not a game, you understand that. So you can just let me show it, so it would be more precise to you. You can see that this is our live streaming. This is our live streaming where we have traded sell EURUSD. Let me make it to high resolution so you can also watch it. The things are not so visible. Let me make it full screen. Something will be cut out, but you can check it, no problem. Where you can see that USD, CAD and GBP positions were already closed. In the account, $346 profit, 188, and again you can see that in EURUSD we booked the profit. So total profit in this account is 536. In the account where we're trading with 1.2 lot size, $1,288 profit was booked, and in master accounts almost 4,900 profit was booked, which is nearly to the $5,000. So this is how we also trade with the same entry on our client account. You can check that what was the entry for EURUSD, 1.22, almost near to 2220. Okay, and this was the entry for our client. We captured the movement of EURUSD here. So in this way, not only for EURUSD, for every pairs we have sent a live streaming where we have booked the profit in our client of on gold. You can see in oil, you can see in AUDUSD, you can see in GBP in USDCAD, you can see in GBPUSD, you can see in XAUUSD, you can